The child laughed loudly. The part of speech of the underlined word is an adverb. Just a second. Adverb. Sudhir is dash MP and his wife is dash homemaker. The appropriate articles to be used here is Sudhir is an MP and his wife is a homemaker. An and a. C. Reena is living tonight. Dash question. The correct question tag to be used here is isn't she? Reena is living tonight, isn't she? I dashed to my brother last week. The appropriate tense form of the verb to be used here is I wrote to my brother last week. So this is the answer C. After a long search, we found a hotel dash it was closed. The correct linker to be used here is but. After a long search, we found a hotel but it was closed. The correct prefix to be used to form the opposite of perfect is perfect ಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಿ imperfect. Machines are replacing the workers. The passive form of the above sentence is B. The workers are being replaced by machines. There was nothing we could do. It took most of the following winter to buy the trees. The infinitive in the above sentence is D. Could. 49th. I playing football because of the injury. The correct phrasal verb to be used here is I gave up football because of the injury. So D. 50th. The word that collocates with joint is account. Joint account. So B is the answer. Raghu went to Mysore to meet his friend. The appropriate question to get the underlined words as answer is why did Raghu go to Mysore? ಅದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೆಂಡ್ ಮಿ ಯುವರ್ ಬುಕ್? ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಬೌವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಬಿ. ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ. ಟ್ರೂ. ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸರ್ is known as salutation. So D is the answer. Bridges are built the river. The correct preposition to be used here is across. Bridges are built across the river. If I had brought my camera, we'd taken some photographs. The correct words to be used to complete the if clause sentence are if I had brought my camera, we would have taken some photographs. Would have. So C is the answer. How could a boy fight a tiger? This was said by C. Swami. When Swami saw something moving towards him, what did he do? B. He hugged it and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. Dr. Anil Agarwal, seeing the extent of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. This shows that he cared for her life. C is the answer. Baleshwar took Roma to the hospital with the help of a tempo truck driver. So B is the answer. Baleshwar shouted, "Let's go and help her." But nobody volunteered because A. They were afraid of getting involved. Identify the activity in which the children of Rio and Medio were not involved after the Americans moved into the house. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಡಿಯೋ ವೇರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರ್ಯೂನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಇವರು ಗಿಡದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ಲೇ ಫೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕಟ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಮರದಲ್ಲಿರೋಂಥ ಹೂವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕೀಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರ್ಯೂನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮರನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಟೈಪು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಟಿಲ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟಿಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಎ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಆರ್ಚರ್ಡ್. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was described as a symbol of revolt by B. Jawaharlal Nehru. ಮೂಕನಾಯಕ, ಬಹಿಷ್ಕೃತ ಭಾರತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಮತಾ ವೇರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ B. Newspapers. The doctors at the cancer hospital said, "Take him home, give him the things he likes, indulge him." This means that the boy had not many days to live. Answer is A. 68. Anant astonished his guru because ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸ್ಟಾನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? He was already able to compose his own tunes. So B is the answer. Sketching came naturally to Satish as he had always been good at calligraphy. C. Satish didn't want to go to a new school because ಏನಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Everyone would make fun of his deafness. My dad knew his duties. His duty was to build a tree house. C is the answer. Grandma learnt to climb trees from her brother. So D, brother is the answer. In the poem Quality of Mercy, mercy is compared to B, gentle rain from heaven. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. Here it refers to C, mercy. Shall I sing of your rock-cut temples, epics in stone? The above lines depict that India is rich in B, art and architecture. In the poem The Song of India, the poet wants to sing about A, the Himalayas and the three seas. His rundown shoes have paper in them. This line suggests that the jazz player was A, poor. You talk of. Select the appropriate option to complete the line from the poem The Blind Boy. ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You talk of the wondrous things you see. So B is the answer. Wondrous things you see. Patil. The sub-inspector wanted to help Mohan's family because he was the answer ಬಂದು a friend of Mohan's father. Yema Aziz gave her children the message that ಏನು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? One's duty is the most important thing in life. So C is the answer.